CNC routers are versatile machines that can be used for a variety of projects, from cutting and engraving wood and other materials, to creating 3D models and prototypes. They are a great tool for both hobbyists and professionals, as they allow for precise and repeatable cuts and engravings. If you're planning to use a CNC router for your next project, here are some of the best ways to get the most out of it. Use the right software. To use a CNC router, you'll need to create a designer model in a CAD, computer-aided design, or CAM, computer-aided manufacturing, software. There are many different software options available, both paid and free, so be sure to choose one that is compatible with your machine and has the features you need for your project. Choose the right bit. The type of bit you use will depend on the material you're working with and the type of cut or engraving you want to make. For example, if you're cutting wood, you'll want to use a woodworking bit, while if you're engraving metal, you'll need a metalworking bit. Use the right settings. The settings on your CNC router will also affect the outcome of your project. Be sure to adjust the speed and depth of cut based on the material and bit you're using, as well as the type of cut or engraving you're making. Test your cuts. Before you begin your final project, it's a good idea to test your cuts on a scrap piece of the same material, to ensure that everything is working correctly, and to make any necessary adjustments. Maintain your machine. Regular maintenance is crucial to keeping your CNC router in top working condition. Be sure to keep the machine clean and lubricated, and replace worn or damaged parts as needed. By following these tips, you'll be able to use your CNC router to create precise and high-quality projects that will be sure to impress.